Rick Ellis and his friend, Greg Tinius, loved to fly radio-controlled airplanes. But when Rick had shoulder surgery, he couldn't fly for 8 weeks. Not one to sit idly by, he used his engineering skills to make a device that would control his airplane with head movements. Let's find out more.
So, given that I can't use my right arm, I have a broken wing, I built a device that sits on top of my goggles to do head tracking. And what this device does is it monitors the movement of the goggles, and then through a trainer cord runs off to the radio that lets me control the airplane. Greg can fly the airplane normally. When he throws a trainer switch, I have control over the ailerons and elevator, and so I can actually fly the airplane this way.
Okay, let's see how this thing works. Greg launches the plane using a catapult Rick built. He uses iNav auto launch for the first phase of the flight. Greg flies the plane line of sight and climbs it to 3 mistakes high. Then, with the flip of a switch, he gives control to Rick.
Okay, you got it. It's actually doing it.
Yep. Woo, this is kind of crazy.
Yeah?
A little bit of a lag, but kind of getting used to it now.
Cool. No, this is working really nice.
I mean, I'm kind of surprised I can fly it this well. So, do you want to take it back?
Okay.
I'm down at 3.7.
Okay. Good enough. Okay.
Greg takes control of the airplane and makes a perfect landing.
Good job.
Now that's what I call using your head. Great job, Rick.